welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a video about face masks. I know I'm not really the best example you could take because I don't know them much, but I have some that if you follow actually do them, your face is gonna get better. I mean, my face gets better when I do them, but it's just the problem that I don't do them so much. Anyways, for the first mask, I have 3 masks for you today. The first mask is the egg white mask. So it's eggs. Some people don't like putting eggs on their face. For me, I mean, it's food. I eat it, so I don't put it in my face. I know it's raw, but it's okay. What you need is a brush to put it on your face, a egg, 2 bowls, one big and one small, because what we're gonna put in it, the egg whites, and we're gonna put the yellow part, or I don't know what is it called, here. Yeah, the yolk here. And if you have, I don't know, if you guys don't have, it's completely okay. You just this is the egg mixer where it makes foam in the white. I never tried it before, so we're gonna see if it works. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna first, break the egg. We don't need to make the yolk fall into the bowl, so make sure you don't. There's lots of ways to do that. For me, I don't have a particular way, so it's gonna get disgusting. Done. It's not so successful as I wanted it to be. I mean, there's no egg yolks in here, but you know what I'm talking about. It took so much time. Anyways, if you are gonna apply it and then mix it and then apply it, then you don't need to put tissue. But if you're gonna put it this way, then you have to put tissue on your face.
So now we're gonna start mixing the eggs until it gets so foamy as much as you can. And we're done. Now we're gonna apply it to our face.
And let's begin. It should be the foamy that I put it with my hand, but it's not that foamy. Guys, you're gonna be like, is it the first time you put that mask? No, it's not the first time. But yes, it is the first time to put it while it's foamy. I used to put it without, because that's the first time I used this heck. I don't think it's blowing a lot because it's not that foamy. I'm gonna put tissues too, and we'll see how that works. But anyway, I'm sure this is not gonna be something bad.
And now I start applying it to my face. We're gonna make holes later. I now start creating some holes into the tissue so I be able to see, speak, and breathe for the next 10 minutes.
Halloween season. 10 minutes has already passed. I will remove this now. I know it looks so ugly, anyways. I'm gonna be washing my face and come back. So this is my face. Before I went. So yeah, if you wanna do it, you can. And this was it for this mask. Let's move to the second mask. So here's us with the second face mask, which is yogurt, honey, and banana. So what you will need is honey, yogurt, and banana.
and a teaspoon. So for reference, you're gonna need banana, like the banana needs to be the most, then yogurt, and then honey. So in the original one, we're using a full banana, but this time I'm gonna try to make it with a reference with my own mind, which is a quarter banana, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, and half a teaspoon of honey. You get the idea. Banana. This much of banana, and we have the yogurt. I'm gonna put 2 of those. And by the way, this is also too much. I'm telling you. I may use it 2 times. I have to store it as something that I'm still not so familiar with. So we're gonna get 1. Oh, I put 1. It should be half. I'm gonna just get through it. Honey isn't bad after all. So honey for face masks is just to make them stay in your face, because without honey, well, it's okay. Honey also, it's something for your face, but I noticed it just, make them stick to your face, and you will know when it's done. It sticks to your face. Now I'm just gonna mix it in this bowl. Okay, so it's not really mushed. It can. If you guys have it, you can also, mush it before you do the mask, and then get only 3 teaspoons of it. Now you can get the reference as much as you can. So now for this we use about 3 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons, and 1 teaspoon. What you can also do is 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon. You can do it 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon. I'll try to make it half as half. So first time you have 3, then 2, 1. You know what I mean? I guess you do. As I said, whenever you have to do a mask, you have to wash your face before. So I'm gonna wash it. How disgusting it is. I would rather use gloves, but we'll try our best to put this on the face. Oh my god. As I said, the honey is what makes it stay, as you see. Make sure as much as you can to make it like mushed. Now we'll start with the time lapse and put it on my face. So I'm done with putting the face mask on my face. You guys may not see that it's fake. You guys may not see it really. But there we go. We're gonna also wait for 10 minutes. You guys anyways are gonna feel like as when you do like this, it's gonna just, like each other mask with it. This is for couple. So if you did quarter or 3 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons, and 1 teaspoon, this is how it's gonna be, which can be used for 2 faces. So either use it 2 times if you have a way to store this, or use it 1 time. Or use it on 2 faces, which you want someone else, your friend or something. We don't know. And yeah, we're gonna wait for 10 minutes or until this thing stretches, and we'll come back to you guys. More than 10 minutes has passed. As I told you guys, I'm wanting it for it to be as dry as possible, but when I get like the glasses, it doesn't get out. So I'm gonna wash my face now. 10 laps. Done. So this is my face after. This is the before. It won't seem so clear, so please. Yeah. And this was the second mask. Let's move on to the third mask. Okay, so this is the last mask of this video, which is a Moroccan clay mask. It comes in a powder shape, and I'm actually recording the second and not third, but it's gonna be third. So what you'll need is the Moroccan nut clay. I got it as a powder, so I didn't get it as with chemical. It's so natural from Egypt, and this is how it looks like. You can get it as a chemical, as a face, like as a mask, like this way, or you can get it as a powder from any, and you can use it with rose water or with just normal water. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of that. I'm actually in the bathroom, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of that. That's 1 tablespoon. There you go. I'm gonna put it right here. I think 1 tablespoon is a lot to handle, but we will. And also 1 tablespoon of water. I'm gonna mix that up and see how it turns out, but I think that's the right thing, because you have to have it like, I'll show you how it should look. And I think, yeah, this is how it is right now. Now, you need to wash your face before adding any mask, this mask or any other mask. So, I'm gonna get my hair up and wash my face, because you cannot add one mask without, washing your face. So, and I'm gonna be applying the face mask right now. So, you cannot upload it with this, apply it with a spoon. Sorry for that. So, those are one of the masks that get dried on your face. So, once they're dried, you can wash them, but it takes about, I know it looks disgusting, but it doesn't feel like this way. So I need to wait about 10 minutes until this thing dries up on my face. And I said use 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon. You can use rose water instead of water and apply that to your face. We're gonna wait about 10 minutes and I'm gonna see you back. Bye! To be honest, that's more than 10 minutes. I need you just to check how it turned out to be. To remove this, it's gonna take time. So, it's gonna be played on a really, really, really fast speed. So, you mean? Oh, no, you're sure not him. Cleaned really perfect now, but anyway, this is it. This is my face now. I don't know, but it gives you that your face is now perfect, because before it was just like that weird color. So, you guys, this is after. Before image is gonna be right here. And see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you love this video and love the following videos, because so this is the end of the video. I just need to say a small notice for this video. The comment shout outs, I'm not gonna stop that. I'm so sorry. I'm stopping that from this video and last video, so I didn't. I really promised you guys to come back with the shout outs. So here are the shout outs from all the last videos. So I'm stopping from this video. The comments of the last video are included, but next video, those comments in this video are not going to be shout out. The reason is because you guys don't comment that much. There's not that much of comments. Like, we're 100 subscribers, not 100 people comment. So I just pick the people that comment, and I cannot just pick certain amount of people. Comment everyone, because there are mostly 2 maximum. So I'm not commenting, I'm not shouting outing too much now, because first I'm gonna try making my videos more earlier, and I'm not just like any other video. You guys comment when the video is posted. You take about 2 weeks or 3 weeks to comment, or 1 week from most of the videos, so it's gonna be hard. So when we get off and people comment when the video is posted and stuff, I'm not sure coming back to shout out, because I think I'll be gone too early. That's it. Bye.